Hi guys, today I'm going to be explaining a little that I got a lot of feedback from a lot of people after they installed this mini water arrestor here behind the LG washer, and they're still getting a lot of the water hammer noise. What I come today and I'm showing you today is you guys gotta have to stop using these braided hose that you buy anywhere else, and I'm going to show you what's the difference between them now. So if you're looking at it, this is the one that it installed into this current LG washer. The diameter inside this hose is like this. If you were to get the rubber one, you look at the diameter size. And this is another one that they sell, which is people do buy them. As you can see, the diameter, each one getting smaller and smaller. The smaller the diameter, the greater the pressure is going to come. So with these new LG washer, you're going to get excessive water hammering noise. So these are the rubber hose you want to start using in your LG washer now, with this wide diameter on the inside to prevent the water hammering. And this is a top-load LG washer. I did the video with a front-load LG washers making water hammering. So that tells you that, you know, it's not the machine, it's actually the hose. So I just want to let you guys know about that. All right, and thanks for watching. Thank you.